Hi, good evening. The purpose of this video is to share with you the pointers of the exam, but I'm actually sharing to you the actual exam with some items were removed for the purposes of um, also thinking during the exam. So this is the actual exam with some of the sections removed. This will serve as as your pointer to the exam, as well as it allows you to prepare also what to read in terms of the resources that I'll be sharing for in preparation to your exam. So part one, which is 5 points, is the analysis questions. The instructions is be direct to the point in answering each question. Number one is analyze the role of the business diamond framework in organizational strategy. There is a follow-up questions, but I didn't include it. The important thing is that you will study what is business diamond framework in our slides. Number two, discuss the significance of hyper competition in modern business environments. So that's the initial question. There is a specific questions to ask. So you need to at least familiarize what is hyper competition. Number three, I eliminated the three, pero the item three, but this is number three. Evaluate the importance of the IS strategy matrix, including hardware, software, network, and data. So there is a specific question also, but what is important at this point again is to look at what is IS strategy matrix. Number four, compare the competitive advantages gained through Porter's five forces model and the value chain model. And five, suggest strategies or policies to align activities and projects of an organization to the target objectives or purpose. Provide at least two strategies. This one is you can search this in advance since this is the exact questions. For part two, this is a case study. So I'll read a case study and fill in the blanks on the questions to follow. Now, case study part one, 20 points, transforming operations with IS. A mid-sized retail company, Shopmax, is experiencing fierce competition from larger e-commerce platform. Their current strategy focuses on cost leadership, but they have started losing market share due to a lack of differentiation and technological innovation. They have decided to implement a new IS infrastructure to improve customer satisfaction, streamline operations, and gain competitive advantage. Question number one, blank blank, to align business organizational and IS strategies using blank. Provide specific examples to illustrate your points. Then number two, blank. Now, there's an initial question and propose at least three strategic initiatives Shopmax could implement to disrupt the market and regain their competitive edge. So part three, this is another case study worth 20 points. The case is that leveraging information resources for competitive advantage. A financial services company, FinEdge, is seeking to enhance its market position in an increasingly digital landscape. The company's leadership has identified the need to optimize IT assets and capabilities to create a unique customer experience and improve operational efficiency. However, this face stiff competition from well-funded startups with innovative digital platforms. Question, how can FinEdge strategically align its asset and blank blank? Use the framework of information resources as assets and capabilities to structure your answer. So you now have hint that you need to study again or review the information resource as an asset. And the second question to the second case is that identify and analyze two specific risks FinEdge might encounter when implementing an IT-driven strategy. This is partly opinion question, but at least you refer always of the case. Okay? With that, that's our question. I hope that you will prepare the resources needed and print it before attending the exam. Good luck to your studies.